2, 3, go! Alright everybody, the theme of this video is breath support. You've probably talked about this with your teacher before, because in order to sing, you have to breathe. And so this is one of my favorite short breathing exercises that you could do at home right now. This is called the Wizarding Wand Challenge. And first what you'll have to do is choose a wand. I brought this blue chopstick here. I've already chosen this. You can pick up anything wand-like a pen or a pencil or a highlighter. Remember, the wand chooses you. So you can go ahead and pause this video right now and find something to use for your wand. So first, if you're sitting, grab your wand and stand up. Your feet should be a couple inches apart on the floor so they're not stuck all the way together and they're not too spread out either. Imagine that your feet are growing roots down into the floor, and see if you can imagine an invisible string pulling up, creating an extra ½ an inch to your height. You should be standing tall like a tree with your arms resting at your side and your belly relaxed. This is not just a great wizard pose, but this is a great way to stand when you're singing in general. So look around the area in front of you and see if you can choose a point or an object that is going to be your evil wizard you are trying to defeat. In my case, it is clearly this evil stuffed fish. We're going to stare at that point and direct one long exhale at it. So here's the thing. You are a very powerful wizard already. So this isn't about being forceful with your breath. This is about how long you can sustain your breath. You don't want to let all your air go at once, like a birthday cake, when you blow out your candles. You want it to slowly escape, like you made a tiny little hole in a bike tire, and it slowly leaked out over time. So we are going to do just that. And our exhale is going to sound like this. Like a snake. So let's try this in 3 rounds. For this first round, to defeat your nemesis, I'm going to time this for 15 seconds. A long release of air with a sound. So gather your wizarding power. See if you can feel your belly expanding a little bit with each breath. 1, 2, 3, go! Your nemesis is so much weaker now. If you're ready for level 2, gather your wizard power, feeling your belly gently expand with each breath. This round, we're going to go for 20 seconds. This will really weaken our opponent. On your marks, get set, go. Wow, you are one with the breath. Let's just try one more round to really seal the deal. We're going to try for a 30-second exhale on one long sound. So sense the breath. So it's going to be 30 seconds. See if you can feel it in your belly. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you did it! You defeated the opponent and are on your way to becoming a breath master. Try this on your own with a timer, or you could do it with a sibling or a parent and see if you can defeat your opponent together.